Hi friends, I wish you all have a good and great life overhead. First, my sincere and heartfelt thanks to Kumar sir for timely responding and giving me a device which I am going to explain why I used it, its benefits, and how far the device helped me out from my dire situations. I am Padmavati residing in Vijayawada. I do small civil contracts at par of my work. I do have continuous works outside. Every day I go out and come home normally. But on June 2nd, uh, it happened like that. While I was returning from my client's place, I was crossing the road. Suddenly, from the wrong side, a vehicle came and hit me. I knew what happened. I am in senses. My both legs were dwindling. I am unable to stand up or even take a one step further. Four persons carried me to the safest place and made me to sit there. There is no pinch of blood on my body, but both legs are dwindling and I am unable to walk. Suddenly, someone called an ambulance and I was being put into it. They lifted me to hospital and placed me on the bed. On some observation, the doctor asked me to go for an X-ray, and X-ray report is so clear. There is no breakage of any bones. Then the doctor suggested to go for MRI. It went on for 4 long hours and finally I am put to wheelchair. My friends attended me to MRI. There I got the report which is being displayed here. Doctors, after observing the MRI report, they said to take 90 days complete bed rest and then go for a surgery. It is ACL tear. One leg has partial ACL tear and the other leg is full ACL tear. Friends, this happens to most of the sports persons. Unfortunately, I also met with that problem. I was then brought to home and from then onwards I am bedridden. I could not walk. All my body parts are functioning properly except for my legs. Even to washroom someone had to carry me. This went on for another 10 days. Then one day I posted the same in the Facebook. One of the friend who is also a scientist and has many inventions under his name responded quickly. Uh, Kumar sir, we call him as Solar Kumar. And he immediately responded to my problem and asked my husband to carry a device which can be a great help to me. He gave the instructions to my husband. Even when they suggested me to go for the surgery, I mean, when the doctor suggested me to go for the surgery, again the same doctor said that even after going for the surgery, that surgery should be done every 3 years. Every 3 years it should be repeated, even though they are not giving me 100% confidence that I will be able to walk properly. They said it is only 50-50 chances. If anything fails, I should be remain in the wheelchair. That is what the doctors had said to me. In the video you can also see the device. You can also see how it will be functioning. I will also tell you, according to my problem, I was guided to be used it like 3 times a day: morning, evening, and morning, afternoon, and evening. Every 10 minutes I'm using this device past 45 days. Now it did a wonderful thing for me. I'm able to walk on myself without even the support of a stick or a walker. I don't even need someone to assist me. I'm able to go on myself own. I'm also going outside in an auto, but I think it will take time for me to climb bike or any two wheelers and steps. That one is taking a little time. This only happened only when I use this device and my condition on bed. After 30 days I am able to walk with the help of a stick. Then now I can walk on my own without stick, but slowly. This device did wonders for me. It released my tightened muscles, it released my pains in my thighs, and also freed my muscles and enabled me to walk. Thank you, Kumar Garu, for the best ever device which had made wonders in my life. And this is called magnetic therapy. According to him, I only know that it is a magnetic device and it is called the magnetic therapy. But I really don't know what wonder it have done. But it is really done a great wonders in my life. Thank you, Kumar Garu, once again. This magnetic therapy is called as PEMS magnetic therapy, and it is named as Anmol Pulsar, and it has been marketed as Anmol Pulsar, and you can get this device from Mr. Kumar Garu, and I will furnish you the address details along with his phone number.
జాగ్రత్త మొన్నే పెయింట్ అది వేయించారులే స్కిడ్ అవ్వ మెట్లేని